Some DJI drones, like for example the Avata 2, has the possibility to share the live view from the Goggles 3 onto a mobile device via Wi-Fi, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. To be able to stream the live view from your goggles to the mobile device, you need to have some things in place. Of course, first you need to turn on all these devices like the Avata 2 and the Goggles 3 and the Motion 3 controller. Then you also need to download the DJI Fly app to your mobile device. After that, I'm going to go through exactly how you do this. So now I've opened up the DJI Fly app here on my device, and next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go into the menu. So let's take down. Let's go to share live view to mobile device via Wi-Fi, and we're going to enable that one. And then we get this screen, and here it says to watch Goggles live view wirelessly, tap the card in the lower left corner on the home screen of the DJI Fly app on your mobile device and select Goggles. Okay, so if we do that and we check here we don't have that. Here it just says quick transfer, and that is because we have to enable this one before we get this option here. So first we need to go here and we need to click OK, and after we have clicked OK, it takes a second to enable this share live view to mobile device via Wi-Fi. And after we have done that, now this one is changing here in the DJI Fly app. So instead of quick transfer, here it says Wi-Fi devices, so now we can tap that one. And then we're going to tap the Goggles 3 in my case, not the Avata 2, because then we're going to enter the quick transfer. So now we're going to tap the Goggles, and here it says that it's going to be connecting. We're going to tap join that Wi-Fi. If this is the first time you're doing it, then you need to link the Goggles 3 to this device as well. So how you do that is that you press and hold the on-off button for 2 seconds. Don't press and hold like you do if you turn it on or turn it off. Just press and hold for 2 seconds, and then we're gonna get here where it says watch live view, and if I tap that one, now we get the same view on my mobile device that I got here in my Goggles 3. I hope you liked this tutorial. Next thing I think you could do, that is to watch that playlist over here, because that is the playlist for the Avata 2 and all the videos I have there. So thank you so much for watching. See you in one of those videos. Have a good one. Bye.